Yes. Looking through old photos is always such fun. Like, you have your baby pics, your toddler pics, your fabulously tacky senior prom pics, and then you have, well, everything else. Like, do you ever just look at an old selfie you posted and wondered what the heck was I thinking? Yeah, me too. The S for context, yes, that's me, by the way. Amber. Hi. And while I'm still a fabulously proud hot mess today, I have learned how to rock it.
Frickin' Vogue, honey.
So today I thought it'd be fun to show you two how to glow up. Because if there's one thing you know I love, it's a good old-fashioned makeover. So here we go. I present to you the unofficial life survival guide. How to glow up. Alrighty, since you're all probably wondering about the physical glow up part first, we'll start with number 10. Out with the old and in with the new. Marie Kondo your life. If you're sick of your look, change it. Get creative. Your look is a canvas to do with whatever art you choose. So have fun with it. Try changing your hair. A new cut, a new color, a new style. There's a reason people cut their hair after a breakup. It's a fresh start and a fun new way to start feeling yourself. So switch it up if you want. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Where's my Ken? Okay. Anyways. Tip numero dos, experiment with makeup. Find your groove. Makeup can totally change your entire face. No joke. Like, remember when we all didn't contour and we kind of all looked like the moon emoji? And now we're all snatched. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes, mama. No need to go under the knife to swap faces with an Instaho. Just watch some tutorials on YouTube for guidance. I mean, maybe not mine, lol, but remember, a little highlight will go a long way. Highlight your cheeks, highlight your life. It really is that simple. Number 3, find your personal style. Get yourself a style icon and try some of their looks on you. Experiment, it's okay. If you don't like it, you can just take it off. Have fun with it. Fashion is honestly silly anyway. Like, am I really wearing a shirt with no pants here and calling it fashion? Heck yes I am! And I look damn good too. Also on the topic, you know that saying, give a girl a good pair of shoes and she can conquer the world? I mean, you know, not to be spoiling the secrets of the universe or anything, but yeah, it's true. New shoe, new you. The attitude they give you will have you glowed up in no time. Next up, fuel yourself with what makes you feel your best. Don't get this one twisted. I always recommend to eat well, not going on a diet. Eating fad keeps you feeling fab, which is the key. Feeling perfect, not looking it. Losing an extra 5 pounds just isn't worth being 5 times more miserable. So eat the cookie if you want it. Just throw in a smoothie for good measure later to get your nutrition. Same goes for working out. If you hate going to the gym, like me, try a fun class in your town. There's tons of alternative ways to get your heart racing. Heck, even just try walking around the mall instead. After all, like I always say, shopping truly is the best cardio. And remember, most important thing is losing weight or fitting into a certain size should never, ever, ever be the end goal. Every body type is absolute fire if you rock it. It's all about taking care of yourself so you feel your best, whatever that means to you. Numero 5. Implementing a self-care routine is so important. That means in all areas. On a physical level, get your hair did, nails did, everything did. Simple things like painting your nails can give you at least the illusion that you have your life together. Like, here's rare footage of me from one of the worst weeks of my life. Look at my nails.
Does this accurately describe my... This is my mental state. Also, this is it. Really look at that.
You can tell I was not having a good day. Also, get a skincare routine. It doesn't have to be fancy or anything. Just something simple like washing your face every morning can make a huge difference. Face masks are also a lifesaver. Not to mention showers. Nothing a good long sit in the shower can't fix. Plus, singing in the shower is therapeutic. I can't believe I'm actually going to leave this in the video. But anyways, speaking of showers, hair care falls right into self-care. Healthy hair makes you feel healthy and fabulous, so it's an important part of your self-care routine. I like to use customizable products, so I feel, extra important. So I have been using Function of Beauty shampoo and conditioner lately, which is super cool because they create custom shampoo and conditioner for your hair type and specific hair goals. It's fun, it's easy. You fill out a little 2-minute quiz outlining your hair type, hair goals, and personalized preferences. Then you can even choose your color and fragrance. Like, LOL, I named mine Amber Poo because I was in a hilarious mood when I made this, and I still think it's really funny. Not to mention, it's a super cool company because they contain no parabens, no sulfates, GMOs, toxins, and is 100% vegan and cruelty-free. You know I love the animals. Not to mention, it works. Like you can see, look at my hair. Oh my gosh, so shiny! It's been looking extra groovy lately. I chose to lengthen, volumize, color protect, shine, and straighten my hair. Ooh la la, looking fabulous, darling. Looking fabulous. Great company, great product to add into your self-care routine. So if you guys want to twin with me, you can click the link below to get 20% off your first order. So shout out to Function of Beauty for sponsoring this video. You guys are the bomb.com. Seriously, love you guys. On the same self-care note, make sure you take mental self-care too. Take a day off every once in a while and read a good book, get a good sleep schedule. Relax. Self-care is the absolute biggest physical glow up you can get. Promise. All right, last one for the superficial levels, but if you really want to learn how to glow up, learn your angles. We all know Instagram isn't real anyway, but if what you really want to do is flex on all those boys in high school who never gave you the time of day, learning how to make yourself pop off on the gram is one way to do it. So practice makes perfect. Pose in front of your mirrors, see what you like, and get some good lighting. Who needs a filter when you got good lighting on your side? Like, damn sis, glow off. See what I did there? Like go off, but glow because glow up. Okay, anyways. This is a good meaningless tip to end on as we move into the real glow up category, the inner glow up. They always say it's what's on the inside that counts, and it's true. So do things that light you up on the inside. Pick up a new hobby, painting, playing with your puppy, journaling, or in my case, shoe collecting. Anything that you can find to do that you love, do it. Committing time to things you enjoy is so, so important. I promise you the inner joy things you love bring you will shine right on out to the outside. It's, like a pregnancy glow. Or, that daydreamy look when you're in love. Yeah, that one. Sometimes the inside makes you look even better on the outside than any makeup could ever do. Speaking of things you love, just like I mentioned earlier about Marie Kondoing your look, Marie Kondo your home too. Surround yourself with things you love and that make you happy. And if they don't bring you joy, get rid of them. A clean, happy space makes for a happy life. So do your best to respect your space and at least keep it kinda sorta clean-ish. Or in my case, I kinda like to be surrounded by glitter and shoes. Or at least that's what I tell myself. But seriously, it technically is just as easy to put things back on a hanger as it is to throw them on the floor. So do your best to keep your space clean. Trust me, from someone who's usually a slob, when my house is clean, it makes me feel so much better. So try to stay calm and stay clean. It'll make you a much happier person, I promise. Number 2, confidence. If you don't have it yet, fake it till you make it, girlfriend. After all, that's my whole brand. And no, I'm not talking about DIY marble floors or wearing fake Gucci. I'm talking about the acting part. If you need confidence, pretend like you have it. It'll work wonders. You'll see. One of my favorite quotes in the world I saw on Tumblr, and it says, "The one thing that you can change is how you view yourself. And that one thing will change everything." So strut your stuff and throw on a smile, keep your head held high, ready to take on the town. You might find the fake confidence turns into real confidence pretty soon. And the last and final tip, the single most important thing, and I cannot stress this enough, is to decide to be glowed up. A true glow up is never physical. It's an inside-out transformation that shines through. The more care you take of yourself and learn who you are and who you are becoming, the more you will shine in not only a physical sense, but in the truest form of a glow up, which is knowing exactly who you are, presenting it to the world, and being damn proud of it. And that, my friends, is the ultimate way to glow up. As always, thanks for watching. Till next time, happy glowing, my angels. XO. What was I doing on Instagram back then? Oh my god, honestly. Iconic.